The Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD, in collaboration with its member states and other key stakeholders, convened in Nairobi for a regional workshop to develop an implementation plan 2025-2035 for IGAD Fertilizer and Soil Health Hub.
As you know, soils is one of the major natural resources from which we get our food. It's important that we keep our soils healthy and fertile for better food production.
The program is a response to the challenge that we have on soil fertility, and in response to the need to increase fertilizers use, because we realize that we are using far much less than is globally recommended. And this has led to reduced productivity. Currently, we are at 62.9 million of food insecure people in our region. I am not even mentioning the number of food insecure or children who are malnourished, stunted, around 5 million.
Speaking to Horizon TV, Dr. SYLVIA HENGA, a policy and food security expert at IGAD, said the 5-day stakeholders consultation event aims to create actions and a roadmap for implementing the Africa Fertilizer and Soil Health Summit declaration.
This affects especially the smallholder farmer who is investing so much and receiving so little, not being able to afford inputs, and fertilizer being one of the major input. Now, beyond just use of fertilizer, we are now talking about comprehensive addressing the issue of soil. So soil health as an entire being. So you're looking at the physical properties of soil, the chemical properties of soil, the acidity of the soil water holding capacity, what nutrients are actually required.
The high-level gathering brings together government representatives, agricultural experts, development partners, and private sector stakeholders to align strategies for sustainable soil management and fertilizer use.
Agroforestry, the integration of trees into farming systems, is also gaining prominence for its ability to enhance soil fertility, prevent erosion, and provide additional income sources for farmers. And the use of organic fertilizers such as manure and compost is being emphasized for its role in improving soil health. A focus on balanced nutrient management, which combines organic and inorganic fertilizers based on soil testing, is very, very crucial.
The 10-year roadmap aims to operationalize the IGAD Fertilizer and Soil Health Hub, ensuring coordinated efforts to improve soil fertility, increase crop yields, and reduce food insecurity in the Horn of Africa and beyond.
We are able to preserve our soils because we are talking about sustainability. Sustainability here, we are not just dealing with our present generation, but we want the soils to be able to feed the future generation, especially with regard with population increase. So one is the issue of policies, two is the stakeholders management. So we need to be able to bring all the stakeholders, the soil information system specialists are very important because they're able to pass this information.
The Africa Fertilizer and Soil Health Summit is a significant event focused on addressing the challenges and opportunities related to soil health and fertilizer use in Africa.
Historically, Kenyan agriculture has evolved from traditional practices like shifting cultivation and the use of organic inputs towards the adoption of chemical fertilizers, particularly for the large-scale commercial farming of crops like coffee and tea during the colonial era.
The workshop built upon the Nairobi Declaration adopted during the Africa Fertilizer and Soil Health Summit in May 2024, which endorsed the Fertilizer and Soil Health Action Plan and the Soil Initiative for Africa framework. These frameworks address critical challenges such as Africa's low fertilizer consumption and insufficient application rates, which hinder agricultural production and soil nutrients replenishment. Reporting for the Muslim Insight, my name is Mariam Sa.